Net gas last week achieved higher highs here. It has gone close to 3.5 at 3.6 level, and at these levels we had expected because indicators are over. What we discussed is the divergence of the price, and hence we can see it staying with slight bearish bias. Though 3.2 is a major support, yes, we have seen it closing the week at 3.4. Now, what does this mean? Can it continue with the bearish bias next week, or is it again going to stay bullish? Which position you should take in order to profit trading natural gas next week? We will see with the help of on different time frames, followed with indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the summary of the observation, trading levels, trading strategies so that you can trade profitably. Watch till the end. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Your every like, share, subscribe, and comment is a great motivation for me to deliver to the best of my abilities. And yes, press the bell icon in order to get the daily trades. I do share my daily updates on NetGuess on YouTube before the Asia and Europe session. Do watch that update as well. Hence, press the bell icon or join my free Telegram channel to get the live update. The links are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at NetGuess. See, yes, there is a wall getting created at 3.6. Multiple attempts are seen for by gas to break it pass by. Failing to do so, now it has come back to the support levels. Now see, 3.4, 3.38 is a greater support, and below which I will be looking forward to 3.3 and 3.2. And again I am mentioning, as long as 3.05, 3.02 levels are respected, I will not be recommending you to sell net gas in the month of October. We are going to stay bullish and buy the dip as long as 3.05, 3.02 levels are respected. Now see, first of all, this was the breakout which gas has shown last to last week. It has stayed bullish since then. It is now just trying to retrace a bit. Even if it has to stay bullish, it may try to retrace a bit towards at best 3.2 levels is what I can expect here. Yes, there could be slight bearishness if the price stays below 3.38. Just possibly we can enjoy the shorts for a bit, where one can expect 3.3, 3.2 levels, and from those levels a possible buying entry can be expected. Now let's also have a look at the weekly chart. On the weekly charts as well, this was the breakout, and I have been recommending buys on NetGuess since long. I have been asking you all to stay long. What I will be looking forward, see, there is a gap at 4.3, 4.4 levels, and if you look at when it can show accelerated bearishness like this, it can also show accelerated bullishness, and this is coming after NetGuess is staying at a lower levels for weeks and months, and then only it is trying to recover, and hence the bullishness can be extreme as well. Thus, even if it stays above 3.05, as long as 3.05, 3.02 levels are respected, I will again and again recommend you to stay long. I will again and again expect net gas to stay bullish. Now what has happened last week is a red candle, and see, the price is showing a pullback. What we can expect here is the continuation of it for a little while towards 3.2. In fact, it can retrace further, but I think still 3.2 is going to be the major level which you should watch out next week. Only and only if again and again these levels are breached, you should not treat net gas as bearish. Every drop is an opportunity to buy there, but this is one of the reversal signs. If it breaks below 3.2 is where the bears might prevail. Hence you have to be watchful at those levels. At the same time, any move above 3.5, what will happen? Forming the double bottom, it can again continue to rise. Yes, forming the double bottom, it can again continue to rise and yield another bullish candle here. And that is why I say 3.38 is going to remain a great support. In fact, 3.37, which is the double bottom levels, are going to remain a great support. Yes, we can see again a bullish candle here, taking it till towards 3.8 or 3 or $4 levels as well. This is also equally possible. Now let's have a look at the monthly. On the monthly charts, likewise, there is a breakout. This is continuing to stay bullish. This is a greener candle. This is going to stay green. How far? Yes, though the expectation is to yield symmetrical candle here, though the expectation is to yield same size of candle, we can possibly expect that at least, yes, it has breached past these support levels. I will expect it to hit $4.5 levels very soon in a hurry here. In fact, this could be this candle itself, or else if not this candle, then the next candle definitely is going to take it to the higher levels here. But yes, again and again, the same bullishness is still there by the dips. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators on the monthly charts. The moving averages have crossed over at 3.8 levels here, and this is the 20 and 50 period moving average. Now 3.8, the prices were too much divergent from the moving average. This is looking forward for it to converge. This makes these levels at achievable, and thus $3.84 levels at least should get achieved, and then I will be looking forward for it to fill the gap, and that is why I say $4.5 levels in the near future is very likely. Stochastic overbought. Now look at MACD on the monthly charts. Yes, it was trading with extreme bearishness. Now is the time for it to converge crossover. And this bullish crossover at such bottom levels is going to come after months of trading bearish, and hence a possible rise from here will be seen. RSI has also started to look upwards. Coming to the on the weekly charts, see, one thing was clear, it has stayed outside Bollinger Bands, and thus staying outside Bollinger Bands, definitely the bandwidth will get expanded, but possibility of retracement will also increase. There will be tremendous pressure from the upside here for it to show little retracement. That is what has happened. Now the Bollinger Bandwidth will start to rise exponentially. Specifically this week, if it continues on the upside beyond 3.6, we can look forward to 3.8 and $4 levels, which is going to remain a great resistance. A bigger greener candle can be seen here. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent, and MACD is still staying bullish. But see, this is the first wave here. It can cross over for a second bearish wave. I will be definitely watchful, but I will look forward for it to achieve at least double top before looking forward to a crossover. RSI rising here is staying bullish. Coming to the daily chart, on the daily charts, moving averages lifting upwards, moving averages continuing its upward move. Prices divergent from the moving average, the chances of it to converge will be very high. What is happening here? It is waiting for the moving averages to come up, then the prices might retrace. Thus, now 3.2 and $3 levels is going to remain a critical support zone. Any point of time, if you see prices falling within this zone, you can again initiate a buying position. Stochastic has seen a good drop. It is looking downwards. The MACD, now this is why we can see a bearish candles, or we can see a bearish week ahead for GATS. Too much of divergence was seen here, and hence a possible conversion. Conversion means slight bearishness can be expected on the daily charts. Thus 3.2 levels, and in fact 3.1 $3 levels can be seen here before it looks forward to any rise here. So this is one thing, but it does not mean that net gas cannot continue on the upside. Look at this. Look at this. Whenever it shows a rally, it continues with the extreme bullish momentum. If you look at RSI, this was overbought, and that is why we can see a slight downward move here. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategies so that you can trade profitably here. And before I provide you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 26 batch is going to start on 16th of October. Limited seats, couple of seats are still left. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my Signals channel. And yes, if you appreciate the effort, do like, share, subscribe, and comment, or join my free Telegram channel to get the live market updates and press the bell icon. Now, with that, see, first of all, chances of a drop are high next week. We can expect a possible drop towards 3.2 and below levels. With that, now first, where to buy? Now, you can buy here at 3.4 levels. But remember, as long as 3.5 is there, we can see every 2 points move is definitely be a major resistance. But I will look forward to 3.48, 3.5 as the next major resistance here. Yes, if it stays above 3.5 is where the further bulls will take over. Chances appear to be less that we are going to look forward to a rise above 3.5, because beyond this 3.55, 3.58, and if it breaks beyond this, stay long, we are looking at $4 levels. Now on the daily charts, first couple of days could be a retracement candle where one can expect 3.2, and then a reversal from there can be expected. Remember, achieving the lows for the first couple of days, we can see a rise here in net gas later towards the week, where we can look forward to a major rise here, and in the next couple of weeks we can see this achieving $4 levels as well. Now on the downside, where to sell? I will recommend you to sell here at 3.38 levels itself. 3.35 first target, then 3.3 is the next major support. Below 3.3 is where the bears will take over, and then possibly we are looking forward to 3.21 levels here. 3.21 levels, which is going to be a major support. I do think that yes, these levels are achievable here. This is also achievable. This is also achievable. But then achieving those levels, we can possibly expect a bounce back towards 3.5 levels, and hence we have to trade with caution. There could be swings for first couple of days of bearish bias, and then later this week we can see a rise again, and hence trade with caution, trade with the stop loss and a trailing stop loss below 3.2. We can look forward to 3.14, 3.1, then 3.05, 3.02. Now remember, again and again I will say, any drop, if you see the price is coming towards 3.0 to 3.05, in fact I will see any time you can buy in this zone between 3.02 to 3.2 levels. If you see the price is coming between this zone, you can again buy and stay long. That is will be my expectation. Hence you have to trade with caution. We can again expect, it is not bearish for it at all, and a little retracement followed with a rise can be expected. First couple of days could be slight bearish, but then a reversal is must. That will be my expectation. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Do watch the daily updates. Thus, join my free Telegram channel or press the bell icon. Thank you.